Welcome back to Dupe District, where smelling expensive doesn't have to break the bank. Today it's Invicto Elixir by Fragrance World. And listen, this one smells like victory and bad decisions in the best way. Sure, this is powerful, sweet, it's spicy, and dark. This is not a hi, how are you fragrance. This is a who's that guy fragrance. This is a dupe for Paco Rabanne Invictus Elixir. And I'm telling you, this one understood the mission. It's not twins, but brothers that fight over the same gym mirror. You get that rich sweetness, a little spicy warm vanilla, and a deep masculine vibe. It's bold, intense, slightly dangerous, and the kind of scent that makes you walk slower because you know you smell good. Projection is strong. Your presence arrives before you do. Longevity is easy 8 to 10 hours. On close, tomorrow it's still holding a meeting. This is perfect for nights out, dates, cold weather, or when you want to feel like that main character in your own movie. Even like Invictus Elixir, but not that designer price. This one is a serious win. That's Dupe District. Don't just watch the movement, be the movement.